Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to connect your Namecheap domain to the Google site step by step. So step 1, publish your Google site and copy the site's URL. Step 2, go to the Google domains and then custom domains. And then select use a domain from a third party. Step 3, enter your Namecheap domain and verify ownership using a TXT record. Step 4, log into your Namecheap and go to Advanced DNS or Premium DNS and add a new TXT record. Use the exact value like Google's provided. Step 5, then add a CNAME record pointing to ghs.googlehosted.com. I repeat, ghs.googlehosted.com. Step 6. Save the changes and return to your Google Sites and finish the domain verification. The DNS may take a few hours to update. And now, your Namecheap domain should be successfully pointing to your Google site. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.